Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 128x power x minus 2 power 2056 plus 2 power 2055 is equals to 0 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first time isolate the term x power x. So we can write it as 2 power 2056 minus 2 power 2055. Now I'm going to divide with 128 throughout the equation. So we eliminate this. The value of x power x is 2 power 2056 by 128. We can write it as 2 power 7. So 2 power 7 minus 2 power 2055 by 2 power 7. Now according to the exponent rule, x power m by x power n, we can write it as x power m minus n. So we can write it as 2 power 2056 minus 7 minus 2 power 2055 minus 7. So x power x is equals to 2 power 2049 minus 2 power 2048. Now x power x is equals to, now I can take 2 power 2048 as common. So what is left? 2 power 1 minus 1. So x power x is equals to 2 power 2048 times 1. So x power x is equals to 2 power 2048. Now from the power I can take 2 as common. So what is left? 1024. So x power x is equals to 2 power 2. We can write it as 4. Now 4 power 1024. Now again I am taking 2 as common from the power. So what is left? 516. X power x is equals to 4 square is 16. Power 516. Now again I am taking 2 power common. So what is left? 2, 5, 6. Now x power x is equals to 16 square is 2 power 256 power 256. Now if I'm comparing both sides, so the value of x is 256. That's how we can find the value of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.